So I built a working WhatsApp AI bot inside n8n over a weekend. And yes, it actually replied to customers on its own. But before you copy me, let me show you the whole picture, the honest one. If you have not seen it, n8n is a visual automation tool. You drag boxes called nodes onto a canvas and wire them together. It is free to run on your own server, and it ships with a WhatsApp node and an AI agent node right out of the box. The build really is straightforward. A trigger fires when a message arrives. An AI agent node reads it, you feed in your business details, and a final node sends the answer back. 4 nodes, and you have a bot. And it genuinely works. A customer asks a real question, the AI reads your info and replies in seconds, day or night. For a demo, it feels like magic. Here is the catch. WhatsApp has strict rules. After a customer's last message, you get a 24-hour window to reply freely. To start a conversation outside that window, you need a pre-approved template, and you must have the customer's opt-in first. No tool skips these, they are metas. There is another hurdle before any of this runs. You still need official WhatsApp Business API access. Meta has to verify your business, which is often a few days but can take up to 2 weeks or more. Meta officially allows up to 30. Then they review your display name, which can be rejected, and you register a phone number. The tool cannot do that part for you. And once it's live, it is yours forever. You host the server, and it has to stay online around the clock. An update can quietly break your flow. The free edition has no dedicated support, only a community forum. If it goes down at 2 in the morning, you're the one fixing it. So ask yourself the honest question. Is wiring nodes, hosting servers, and debugging at midnight really your job? Or is your job serving customers and growing the business? For a curious builder, n8n is fantastic. For most owners, it is a second job you did not ask for. Line them up side by side. The do-it-yourself route is a free tool with a lot of hidden work. A done-for-you tool hosts it, keeps it updated, guides the API setup, and gives you a human to call. For a business, that trade is usually worth it. That is exactly why we built Remarketly. You get the WhatsApp AI bot without hosting servers, chasing approvals, or fixing breaks at midnight. It is done for you, maintained, and supported. Build it yourself if you love the tinkering. Otherwise, let us handle it. Remarketly.io